All right, so how do you promote Clickbank products for free? You found Clickbank. That's why you searched on this video, and you want to know how you can get those massive commissions for free. Maybe you're a tire kicker, maybe you just want to test the waters, maybe you're not sure if you want to get into affiliate marketing. On this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways on how you can promote Clickbank products for free. All right, so method number one that we are going to jump into is YouTube. You guessed it. But first, we need to check out a product. So we're going to head over to clickbank.com and we're going to look for a product. Now, it's easier to find a product and show you how this works than it is to just magically guess and see if I can find a Clickbank product, right? So we need something to search for so I can show you how this method works a little bit better, right? So we're in the back office of my Clickbank test account here. You're going to hit Marketplace, and we're going to get a list of all the cool different products that we can sell. Little pro tip here, if you click this search right here, it'll actually bring up like the top 10 Clickbank products by gravity. So look right here, Cinderella Solution, right? So we're going to cut that, and we're going to go over to YouTube. And I bet you dollars to donuts there is going to be a ton of reviews on this ClickBank product, right? So we're going to go Cinderella Solution Weight Loss, Cinderella Solution Reviews. As you can see, it's already pairing stuff, right? So as you can see right here, Roger's Reviews, the top one, 6 days ago. He's already got a review of the program here. As you can see, Easy Nutrition for You. They've already got a review. Don't buy it until you watch this. So as you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to review the product. You're going to be a non-biased person whom is going to review the Cinderella Solution. And you're going to show people whether it's a good product or a bad product. In this case, most of the time, if you're reviewing the product, you're probably going to give it a resounding thumbs up that this is a good product to get into, right? So as you can see here, this is one viable way that you could do it 100% free, right? And I actually have an entire training on how you can review the product on my YouTube channel. And I'll put a card somewhere up here where you can click on that and check out the whole entire process from start to finish. It's an hour and a half long training. So method number one is YouTube reviews. Method number two is going to be Facebook, of course, right? Everybody's on Facebook. There are thousands and thousands of different channels, not channels, Facebook groups, and we're going to look for one right now. So we're going to do weight loss for beginners, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to filter it by groups. If you haven't figured that out, and you have all these groups that you can be a part of. So you got 75,000 members, 171,000 members, 262,000 members. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in there and you're going to interact with people for a couple days, maybe even a couple weeks, right? You're going to share your weight loss journey, maybe show some pictures, and then bam, you're going to say, this product is giving me great results. I absolutely love this product. Cinderella Solution saved my wife, saved my marriage, lost 1,000 pounds. I won the lottery. So you're basically going to give a resounding support for the product in this group, right? Another way that you can cross promote this is you can actually make a YouTube video for free and promote it in these groups, right? So you're getting double effect here. You're getting the YouTube method and now the Facebook method, right? So that is method number two, right? Facebook groups. Method number three is going to be Instagram, right? Instagram is huge. It is absolutely everybody loves Instagram. I don't know why. I grow accounts on it. To me, it seems very limited. You can really do pictures and stuff like that. I mean, there is your story and there is Instagram TV, which nobody even really digs anymore. But for the most part, I mean, it's just pictures. I've grown. This is one of my accounts that I have. At its peak, it was at like almost 40,000. I haven't touched it in a while. Mostly, I use it now just to demo the fact that I have an account with a pretty large following on Instagram. I've had tons of other accounts, but this is kind of like the last one that I've held on to. Um, but what you're going to do is you're going to pick a niche, right? So in this case, we picked the Cinderella solution, which would be in weight loss. This particular account is a political account. It's like a pro Donald Trump. So I would go over to Clickbank and I would come down to, I think they have a politics section. Here we go. And I would pick a product from here, right? And what you're going to do in this particular case is you have to make a website, right? There's got to be some kind of website. You could use a YouTube channel or you could use a website, right? Those are pretty much, you don't want a direct link from the product, 2020 product. You don't want to, this would be perfect, right? I mean, there's literally no sales in this right here, but you would literally, you can't direct link, so that's going to get your account banned. But what you can do is you come over to Weebly, you're going to create a 100% free website, and it's going to have like Donald Trump 2020.weebly.com. So it's going to have the Weebly extension on it, right? And you're going to create a 100% free website, and basically you're just going to use it as a lander, right? So you're just going to have a one sentence headline and click this button, and it's going to take them to the Clickbank offer, right? That's how I did it with this account. And on this account, I think I did it with, I don't know if it's going to show you this, um, but actually with this account, with this test account, I used it to sell some, I don't know if it's still in here. Let's see. These are all hops. I showed, let's see, do they have like all time? 2014, let's do 2000. I don't remember when it was. It only goes back to March. Anyways, I used it on a very old. I don't even think they have the offer anymore, but it was a offer on. I wish I could find it. Man, that's so annoying. It was an offer on uh, prepper stuff, and it worked really well with this audience. So it was like America Blackout America, I think is what it was called. But anyways, what I did was I created a little Weebly thing, and I put that. If you click Edit Profile, you can click a website right here, and you can put your website in. So you could put a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you could put that in there, and you can make videos specifically on something, or you can do, like I said, like this free website. I would personally just go ahead and pay the couple dollars a month, maybe $20 for hosting in a website if you were going to do this for a long-term project, because it looks better to have like an actual .com. But if you don't want to do that, you can of course do a Weebly. Like I said, it was like $150 by doing it that way, right? So the next way that you can make money is through question and answer sites like Quora right here, right? So I use this in a previous example. How can I make money? How can I make $100 daily from Clickbank? And Jim answered the question. He's got social proof right here. He's got proof of his back office, how he made the money. If you click here, I guarantee that there's probably a link somewhere to a blog or something like that, right? So, oh, yep, here we go. Blog. So he's going to take you over to his blog, and he's going to show you a product or something that how he makes money, right? So you can literally type in how do I lose weight, any of those, and you're just going to answer questions, and you're going to give a long detail. If you've seen here, he's got a long detailed response, and then he has that link at the end, basically saying how you do this. Now I did this in a couple different niches, and as you can see, let's see my stats here. I think I got over 20,000 different views from doing this all time. So if we go say all time, almost 20,000 views, 160 upvotes, literally free traffic. Like you just create an article on here, and in there you're going to have the affiliate link to Clickbank. Again, I would probably use a lander in between, so that way you're not direct linking to the product. It's a little safer on Quora because they're not going to um, not necessarily ban you from Clickbank, but you could lose your Quora account. So finally, I'm going to show you real quick how you make the videos for YouTube. And the easiest way to do that is just to use Google Slides. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a slideshow presentation. And I go over this all in that video. So I'm just going to do a quick recap right here. Um, but you're just going to make slides, and you're going to do just like you would in high school. If you remember doing presentations in high school, this is a lot of the same thing. And you're just going to go over one by one each slide. You want the videos to be somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want them to go too long. You don't want them to go 15, 20 minutes, because you're really just, people come on YouTube to look for a solution. They're not going to sit there for 20 minutes to hear your pitch. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do like 3 minutes of going over the problem, 3 minutes of going over some solutions, 3 minutes of going over the product, and then like a minute to kind of close and wrap things up. That's just a generalization. If you want to see this whole method in action, click the card or the link below. I'll leave a link to the video below as well. So that is how you promote Clickbank products for free. If this is something that you are into, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with Clickbank methods for a while here. I really am digging Clickbank, and I'm going to show you all the trips or all the tricks and tips on how to do that. So make sure you subscribe, join the Facebook channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.